Hi everyone, my name is Mary. You're welcome back into my lifestyle kitchen. Today we are going to be making pineapple upside down cake. Trust me, you're gonna love it. For the main cake, measure 190 grams of flour, 90 grams of sugar, add 64 grams of butter. Whisk them together until it becomes light and fluffy. Add 2 eggs to the mixture and give it a little whisk. Add all the dry ingredients together. A teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, some lemon zest that will add to your flavor. Now whisk them together before adding. Add the flour gradually to the wet ingredients. Voila, the cake batter is ready. For the bottom layer of the cake, measure 90 grams of brown granulated sugar. Now add 64 grams of butter and mix them together until mixed. Then turn it into your pan, which you're going to use. Make sure the pan is covered nicely. Here I'm using 8 inches pan for the cake. I'm going to be using fresh pineapple for the cake, but you can use whatever you like. Canned pineapple works well as well. The pineapple is now ready, so I'm going to layer the bottom of the pan with the pineapple ring. The pineapple is now ready, so I'm going to be adding some cherry to the pineapple holes. When it bakes, it will come out looking so yum. It's looking so good already. It's time for us to pour our batter. Spread it all over the pineapple and the cherry. Be careful not to mess it up around the pan, and spread it until it's covered. The cake is now ready to go into the oven, so I'm going to bake it for about 50 minutes until the toothpick or knife inserted inside comes out clean. The cake is now out of the oven and the knife inserted inside comes out very clean, so it means it's ready. I'm going to turn it over. Voila! The cake is looking so gorgeous. I hope you love this cake and you will try it at home. Please do leave me a comment and let me know how it went for you. I hope you love it as much as I do. Thank you for watching and see you some other time. Please leave me a comment, subscribe and share. Bye!